Step 3. Managing Markup Entries. Switch to Joe Smith's instance of ArchiCAD. A warning box appears in this ArchiCAD instance with the message from Mary. Open the Teamwork palette from the Teamwork menu of ArchiCAD and move it to the left side of the screen. Open the Messages panel of the Teamwork palette and double-click on the new message from Mary to open it. This opens the message dialog where you can read the entire message. A red exclamation mark in the upper right corner signals that the message is high priority. Click the Show button. Since the changes showing this markup entry have not been received yet by Joe Smith, he needs to click the Receive and Show button in the appearing dialog to proceed. Click the Receive and Show button to proceed. Changes are received by ArchiCAD. ArchiCAD then zooms in to the affected area and selects the highlighted wall and the correction elements. Use the Document Markup Tools menu command to bring up the Markup Tools dialog. Expand the Markup Entries panel and highlight the Change Insulation Type entry. Let's read Mary Jones's instructions. Expand the Tag and Discussion panel and click the Show Discussion button. The Markup Discussion window opens where we can see Mary Jones's comment. Close the Markup Discussion window. Joe checks the issue and begins to modify the external walls. All these walls have been created using a complex profile. We need to open that profile and change the insulation layer type. Use the Design, Complex Profiles, Profile Manager menu command to bring up the Profile Manager palette. Click the Reserve button in the Teamwork Status panel to get access for editing profiles. The Free for Reservation status is changed to Editable. Choose the External Concrete and Brick Veneer profile in the Choose Profile drop-down list. Then click the Edit Chosen Profile button. The Profile Editor window opens with the profile of the external wall. Zoom over to the top of the profile. Select the insulation skin. And change it to the Insulation 1 symbol fill type by setting it in the drop-down list in the info box. Expand the Component Selected panel of the Profile Manager palette and select the Fit to Skin option in the Orientation field. The Fit to Skin orientation mode rotates the fill type so it is always parallel to the wall skins, and regardless of the original size of the fill pattern, it will fit to the width of the skin. ArchiCAD allows this mode for symbol fills. Press the Store Profile button to store these changes. Click the Release button in the Teamwork Status panel of the Profile Manager dialog and close it. If you zoom in on the wall closely enough, you will notice that the insulation has been changed in the external walls. Use the Teamwork Send Changes menu command to send these changes to the shared project. Select the Change Insulation Type entry in the Markup Entries panel of the Markup palette and set the Style field to In Progress. Changing the style changes the color of elements belonging to that entry to the colors of the In Progress style. In Progress in this context means that the issue has been solved by the user it was assigned to, and it's ready to be checked by the entry's owner. Let's assign the markup entry back to Mary Jones. Select Mary Jones in the Assigned To drop-down list in the Teamwork panel of the Markup Tools palette. This will activate the New Message dialog in the same manner as before when Mary Jones was sending the assignment message. Enter the following text to the dialog in place of the default message text. Insulation type changed. Please check it. Then click the Send button.